Okay, so I decided to this side. It's never gonna be so low because the grass is very high, and we'll have to take a lot of grass out to be able to do it. So there's gonna be a little lip here, but the other side was a little bit higher. So I decided to maybe take some stones out and dig a little bit so you could go down to meet that side. Although this side here of the driveway has a little indentation that needs to be fixed, but I'm gonna bring it down. But the reason why I'm recording is just so you could see what happens to the grass. And this has been probably like 2 weeks, but as you can see, the grass is dead and it's pretty firm, almost like soil, and it's starting to decompose. The cardboard is starting to decompose. So again, it will work this way. You just have to have a little patience, and you can't have people step over the stones until, you know, all over without caution, just anyway, so you don't take them out of place. But just a little update here on this aspect of the project.